Hello, beautiful people. In honor of the 50th anniversary of Earth Day, today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about a small change I've made to my routine that helps me feel like I can make a little bit of a positive impact on the Earth. I think a lot of news and media creates a lot of fear and anxiety in people. This has been termed by some as eco-anxiety, just feeling kind of helpless about the future of the environment. I know this affects me for sure, and friends and family, and I feel that like a lot of people are probably feeling this. And so although we should accept the facts as they are, which are scientifically proven facts, it's not so great that it also can create kind of a sense of impending doom or helplessness. So I'm here to tell you today that you don't have to feel as helpless anymore. One way to combat this is simply by picking up trash. And this could be in your neighborhood if you're on a walk, if you're on a trail, or on some hike or camping trip, if you're walking along the beach, or literally just right outside your door, walking to the mail or something, walking your dog. So here are the steps to easily incorporate this into your routine. Okay, step one, first, realize that one person can make a difference. One of the biggest arguments I hear against why people don't want to make small changes to help the environment is that they say that one person can't make a difference. No matter what I do, it won't help. But I am an ambassador for this apparel company called Keep Nature Wild, where their mission is to promise to collect 1 pound of trash in our wild spaces for every product sold. And as an ambassador, we make an effort to do trash cleanups in our local communities, and we encourage other people to do the same by spreading the word. And we have monthly impact days where we promote this, and I'll show you footage from one of the impact days here. It's a community of over 1,000 people from around the world, which is really cool. And collectively we've picked up over 300,000 pounds of trash just in our local communities, and that number has probably grown by now. And there's an impact day for Earth Day coming up, so yeah, that's just gonna keep going, gonna keep increasing. We're just ordinary people that are spending time with our family, our friends, just getting outdoors. And there are plenty of other organizations like this one, apparel companies, or just like trash cleanup groups that you could totally get involved in if you would like some accountability like me, or community, which could be helpful for you. And let me tell you that it would be. Everyone could use some of that. Number 2, grab a trash bag or a bucket and gloves. These could be gardening gloves, preferably not disposable, but if that's all you got. Another thing you could do is just be careful about being clean and what you're picking up, because safety comes first, and just wash your hands thoroughly afterwards. And so put whatever you got in your pocket, in your bag, in your car, and go to your destination. Number 3 is to grab a friend, a pet, a family member, what have you, or just yourself, because you are enough on your own, so you can just go out on your own if you want. Number 4 is to get outside, and hopefully this would be easy for most of us. I think we probably get out at least once on most days, maybe less so in quarantine, but we all need some fresh air from time to time. So this can literally be the street that you live on, walking to the end of your block, or even if you live in like an apartment complex, like going down the hall, you'd be surprised where you can find trash. If you regularly go on walks or on your commute, or just to get out. The idea of this is to just be an addition to your normal routine. It can even help you stop and smell the roses, get some fresh air, enjoy your normal environment just by actively observing your surroundings as you're looking around for that trash. And so if you don't already get outside regularly, give these steps a try, and maybe you'll see nature and your local community in a new light. And lastly, number 5 is to feel the positive energy that you get from doing this. The most rewarding part of regularly picking up trash in my community has been many people who have made comments as I'm picking up trash or passing through. People will come up and say thank you, like more people should be doing stuff like this in our community, or oh, that's such a good idea, I never thought of that. And probably they'll go off and do it themselves. And sometimes we get people saying, oh, that's so cool, like I do something like that too with another group in the community or just on my own. And so it just creates a sense of community and really spreads positive energy to encourage others to take part in this simple task too. And yeah, the ripple effect is real, guys. I've also been able to spend great quality time with family and friends this way. I've personally found that being outside or being on a trail is one of the best ways to bond with people.
Oh, I see. I saw one earlier.
This one got turned over. That weekend of that Impact Day cleanup, I also had the opportunity to see Oprah on her 2020 Vision Tour, which was amazing, and I was very inspired by all her wise words. And also Julianne Hough was there, and it was really cool to see her positive energy as well, and her Kinergy movement. If you guys have not heard of Kinergy, spelled Kinergy, check it out on Instagram. Follow her, follow Kinergy. It's just this amazing movement, meditation, and breathing kind of exercise. And if you have ever felt like some sort of disconnection from yourself or others, this is an amazing way to just get back to that. And there's 15-minute sessions on her Instagram and other sources where just in that amount of time you just feel so amazing after. I can't describe it, but check it out. And so, as Oprah said that weekend, the energy that you put out into the world will come back to you. And it's so true that doing all this good feels really good and will come right back to you. I hope everyone's staying healthy and happy and safe during this time. And if you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel. How does he do it? Geek out.